Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, Solana. Honestly, I almost never do any chart analysis on Solana. Mainly, they compare it to the 2020 cycle of Ethereum. I believe, if I remember well, the next cycle should be something like Ethereum had. So it would be a crazy cycle. Let's see if it does happen. If that is the case, I need to be honest with you. I look this as a 3-wave, not a 5 waves, as a move 1. Yes, this is a wave 2, but this could be just an A, a B, and a C, and that would explain why in the previous cycle that we didn't do much. We just made a slightly higher high, and that would kind of make sense, right? If this is the case, I don't know what's my problem with my labels colors. They should be in yellow, so sorry about that. So A, B, and C. 1-to-1 ratio, $9.28. Okay, am I saying am I seeing that? Well, maybe not. This is why often when the B wave is finished, we can check maybe in a smaller time frame what's happening, because let's face it, Solana is really strong, and even though yes, we are in a downtrend, it didn't do a crazy loss. Didn't want to do that, sorry. Where is it? Where are you? Here. So it lost 79%, almost 80%. Now you're going to say, yeah, but this is crazy, that's a lot. Yeah, but for a young coin as Solana, a lot of time they lose between 95 and 98%. Still have some room to go down, and I do believe $48 is not crazy to call that as a next target. That would bring it to almost 84% down. I am comfortable with that. I would scale a lot, scale in a lot of Solana at that level here. Also, wave A, wave C, we did pass the 1-to-1 ratio. When it does that, a lot of time it goes and reach the 1.618 or near. Let me go and check the VRVP now. So we do have a little bit more volume here at this level here, $56. So that would be an accumulation level, and ta-da! You can see that here between 44 and 38 there is a lot of accumulation here, especially at 40-41, which would make sense with the 42.50. Well, we are still expecting Bitcoin, and I am expecting or waiting to see Bitcoin make a final flush. So I'm expecting another 20-30% down would make sense. So would enable Solana to reach that level, and this would be a very nice accumulation level once again. I do have a Discord channel, as you know, or maybe you don't, so you can join for free. I share pretty much, all of my trades, when I buy, when I sell. Sometimes I'm late to update it by 1 day, but often 90-95% when I do a transaction, I upload it right away on Discord, and I will let you know when I'm scaling in or buying more, accumulating more Solana. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!